During this time at the end of the 19th century, beginning of the 20th century, there was all these changes going on. And this entire lesson is called industry and specialization. Industry is like manufacturing. They're building things, making things. And that changed a lot of things for people because now there were so many jobs available. And we also have this influx of immigrants coming into our country. And we've got a new growing country and everybody wants to be a part of it. So we have lots of population growth, large factories, more jobs. The railroads are making things easier, and also specialization. Specialization is when you hone in on one thing, you specialize. So instead, think about uh, the way of life for people before. You had to provide the things for yourself, especially if you went west and were a homesteader. All your food had to be provided by you. You had to grow it or kill it or raise it or something. That's how you got your food. Your clothing, your supplies, everything had to be made and provided by your family. So now people are starting to specialize, and that's a part of this growth. Factories were able to make more specific things, and people were honing in on a certain skill that they were good at and becoming specialized. And excuse me, the quality of products became better. And you could rely, like if you were a area that had really good farmland, you grew crops, and you could trade your crops with somebody that lived in the city where there were places where they manufactured, and everybody helped each other. You didn't have to make everything for yourself anymore. So you could buy products that were manufactured. You could sell your products to other communities. And there's a great section at the end here about George Washington Carver. Read that, learn about George Washington Carver, and about how our country is growing and changing. Industry, population growth, specialization, the contribution of the railroad, everything's growing